G'day folks, well I am holding in my hand the brand new Xtrak 50 Pro, and it's got some features that, as far as I know, are in no other UHF handheld CB radio in Australia. The big one, well, that is the location sharing, a really cool feature. You simply plumb it up to an app, and then if you go for a bushwalk and you want to know where your friend is, say you're at the car and they've gone for a bushwalk, you simply transmit to them and instantly your location is shared with them. So it's just a really cool safety feature. Basically, if someone wants to go for a little bit of a bushwalk, we know that particularly in those desert locations, it can be very easy to lose your way. So with this, it just provides that little mantle of safety. It's not like an EPIRB or anything like that, but it does provide that nice UHF range, which is that short sort of bushwalk kind of safety to that experience. So it's a really awesome feature. The other thing that this unit has got that no other has is the instant replay feature. I have used this loads and loads over the years in the bush, but it hasn't been on the handheld unit in the past. It is now, so a really wonderful feature. Other stuff you'll particularly like is the OLED screen. So that's a real anti-glare sort of property there. So it doesn't matter whether you're in super bright sunlight, you can still see everything on that screen really clearly. Now the other feature that four-wheel drivers are definitely going to love is the fact that this is a rugged unit. It is completely waterproof. So if you're doing those river crossings and it drops in the drink, it is going to be fine. Or if you're in really wet weather, inclement weather, down in the high country, this will not miss a beat. And being 5 watts, it's basically as powerful as one of these radios can legally get. Now importantly, the Xtrak Pro 50 has a really good quality and quite a loud speaker in fact, and that to me is the difference in quality between a good unit and a pretty average cheap unit. If it's not a good quality speaker, then you're going to have trouble when you're out there in the bush. But recently they've also launched the brand new Xtrak Bluetooth unit. So this headpiece, it actually works both with the handheld and your in-car unit as well. So you've got plenty of choice there.